So today, Junlin and Eliza are here in the Jollibee at Mactan because Nim gave them 1,000 for them to eat at Jollibee. So, we bought 3 super meals for them. For us, rather.
Okay, for today, we are going to discuss how you are going to choose your topic or how you are going to choose your research title. Since weekly ka makaka-create of tibuok research, kung wala kay research, very good. Research title. In terms of no one, no light and table. Okay. In terms sa pagpili sa inyong research title, dapat na asya'y tolo na theory nga mulate ang niya. Pwede lang mag-search sa Google, pero para lang kung research title nga para ninyo sayon. Okay, so this is the second thing that you are going to take note when you are choosing your research title is dapat nakasabot mo mismo sa research title. Nakasabot mo kasi na iba sa research title, ikabaw na mo kung sa'y dapat yan sunod. Ha? You should know your research title. Dapat nakasabot mo sa inyong title. Ayaw mo pagpilian ng title nga para lang dyan, nindot siya paminawon. Sure, kagi akong na ito. The effect of tardiness in academic performance of the senior high school student. Oh, sige dapat.
안녕하세요, Hana. So today, since we are going to conduct a warning interview for Hana, since she has 2 absences in this month. So Hana, why are you absent on April 15? So Hana, she was absent. It is because she went to a checkup together with her dad. So why are you absent on April 21? So she was absent on April 21 because she has a fever. So Hana, next time if you have an emergency, please tell me so I could excuse you, okay? And promise me that you won't have any more absences in the future, okay?
Annyeonghaseyo, Samantha. Why today, yesterday, you were absent, no? So, are you aware na duha na imong absent for this month? Where have you been yesterday? Oh, again, wala na sad ka mata. Same reason inyong mga reason. Okay. So, you need na wala kang absent until katapusan sa April, ha? Para dili matangtang, no? So, pila na lang ka days? Unsa man ron?
25.
Oh, 25. So, gamay na lang, no? Oh, paningkamuti nga makamata kag sayo. Anyways, 10 naman atong klase dahil hindi pa makakamata. Basta maurat to, ha? Kinalan, wala na kay absent until ma-end ang April. Bye, Samantha.